Yo, what's good? We're back testing again. We're gonna be finishing up July 2021. Been a pretty good month so far. We're up 6% of the month. 75% win rate, taking 6 wins, 2 losses, 1 break even, 9 trades in total. Yeah, let's see what we get here. Let's see what we get here. Okay, we're at all-time highs here, so we're gonna continue to be bullish here because we're at all-time highs. Structure on ES looks good, but on Q it's kinda mid. I'd honestly want to see us I want to see us open lower and take this 15-minute, or we get an even deeper retracement and just sweep to low. But yeah, hopefully we get that open low and then we get some longs. But yeah, just like that. Yeah, now like with this displacement, I'm just gonna want to see this low. ES does make new highs though. Wow, we end up edging that low. That's actually unfortunate though, we didn't hit that. And you have a 4-minute here. See if you get this 4-minute inverse. Okay, yeah, I mean, I'm not gonna take that because we took the internal high. So, I mean, that's gonna be a fade. This doesn't fit my rules, so maybe we open up this 15-minute and get some sort of longs. Yeah, looks like we're gonna open up this 15-minute. This doesn't look bad. Actually, we hit the 5-minute though. That's actually, I don't like that. Only be closed like down here a little bit. We're gonna have to wait for this 5-minute to get close to take longs, so. Either ways, you are gonna open the 30-minute in 6 minutes, so. Yeah, we open up this 30-minute below. Thing about this 5-minute is just have a 30-minute below. We do kind of have like, I don't know. I just don't like that we have the 30-minute below, and then we're also uncorrelated with ES moving lower while NQ's moving higher. Like, just don't like that. Yeah, would have failed. Now we hit the 30-minute, the 15-minute open. Structure is just horrible though. 15 minutes, definitely gonna get inversed. Yeah, I mean, there just really isn't any trade here. Was this 4-minute that I wanted to take, but we just take the internal high on every time frame. Yeah, literally every time frame. There's just no entry on that at all. Then anything there, we're just entering in pure chop. Now we're in this range a little bit. Looks like London session had this little manipulation. New York session. Now we're trading into this 1 hour here. I'm gonna want to see this like more premium 1 hour hold. But actually we could end up still hitting this deeper 1 hour. Yeah. Let's see that open low. Maybe we take out these like these like failure swings here, then we get longs. I mean, okay, we do hit this and hit the daily gap as well. Max could be good here, just because we have this like generated liquidity and stuff. But I mean, now I don't even want to take a mech here. We're just so bearish. We are just so bearish here. Why would I ever want to take a mech? Yeah, I mean, if you open up this 15-minute, we could take longs if you keep this low, but I really don't want to be taking a mech here. Okay, yeah, looks like we're gonna open up this 15-minute. We edge the 15-minute. Dude. We look on the 15-minute chart and we have absolutely no retraces. 5-minute chart, absolutely no retraces. This right here is a pattern trade in my opinion. It's not even a pattern trade, it just isn't good. If I'm entering anywhere, I'm entering off this 5-minute inverse, there's no entry on that. It looks like they're 100% is in be an entry here. I mean, do I even want to try this 15-minute? Like, it's like a 1-minute inverse. This is like some ass. It's 4-minute. Nah. No trades there again. Just really just no entry. We're just either hopping or dumping to our targets with little to no retrace. I think I saw like one 5-minute retrace right there, which is near the end, so it's not really what we want to be seeing. Okay, we already manipulated pre-market, so these 15 minutes should hold to send us higher. Yeah, we definitely won't get the highest time frame inverse here. Yeah, this would have been a break even. Oh my god. There was this Judas swing. I don't know if I would have taken this though. This internal low is just there isn't really a clear target on this Judas swing. Okay, we're gonna make this 5-minute sponsored gaps here, so maybe we get a retrace into that and then we get longs, but let's reload this. We do kind of have this. We have this Mac model here. I mean, we have not even like had a single rebalance here at all. So like, this wouldn't be a bad trade. We haven't rebalanced at all. 9:30 manipulates, 10 a.m. distributes. Could see a redistribution here. Good rejection wick there too. Let's see this, the 1-to-1 Mac. We also do have this like generation of liquidity here. We break below this low and I'll go break even. Okay, yeah. Nice little Mac model there. We just didn't have any rebalance, so kind of expecting us to rebalance, and now we redistribute probably, or we don't. I got my piece of the pie at the end of the day, so it's fine. That 1 minute short the Judas swing. Honestly, don't even know how I feel about that, just because that internal low is technically, I mean, actually, I don't know if it's high resistance because it did deliver to its objective, which was a buy side liquidity, so I guess it does become low resistance, but I think I just skipped too fast and I overlooked it. Delivering off this 2 hour gap, kind of in this range. Yeah, I mean, this is also a BPR gap again versus 2 hour over here. We just respect them bullish, respect them bearish here, but we are kind of in this range still. I want to see like a clear manipulation somewhere. Yeah, we are SMT now. Not even SMT'd. Yes, did the manipulation. Looks like, yeah, we're gonna run to all-time for sure. Yeah, maybe just open with a 50-minute gap and we get something off that. I wouldn't want to short this with how close he is to his all-time highs. Unless it's super obvious like this, there's no way I'm taking this. Yeah, there's no way I'm taking something like that. So we're gonna open up a 15-minute. ES hasn't manipulated yet though. I want to see ES manipulate. 15-minute here on ES. ES just doing everything but manipulating. There was just 30-second, but obviously it's like hindsight. I don't think I would have taken that. We just are not getting ES to manipulate, which is just great. .30-minute gonna be at my stop loss now. So and we're kind of just generated lows there, especially on ES. Generated lows near the 30-minute. Con honestly isn't bad, but for SMT at all-time highs, we did hit EQ 1030 to manipulate or anything. Good low rejection wick there. We can honestly try it. I think these failure swings are just guaranteed with how price is moving. 10 a.m. does open 11 a.m. We're gonna have to go break even at 11 a.m. though, 100%. Go break even for sure whenever we hit these failure swings. Yeah, I'll go break even there. Out of 100% been break even at 11 o'clock. Yeah. Let's see if this would have been a loss or a win though. Cause now we have that 1 hour below. Yeah, would have been a loss. So even if I did decide to just hold, I'd have 100% gone break even at 11 o'clock. The only thing about this is that like ES didn't manipulate into the 15 minutes, so let's see what we get on this last day of the month. So the weekly candle already manipulated higher, and now obviously looks like we're just running lower. Especially since now we're SMT'd at all-time highs, so it looks like we're gonna go for this low. Which is the current, yeah, the current week low. So it is a Friday, so like could just expect this shit to be super slow, but looks like we are respecting this 1 hour though, so short term we could be bullish, maybe get a resweep of this high, then we get some sort of shorts. Even a resweep of this high would be fine, cause that's an hourly high, so let's see. But yeah, we received just the actual high. Equal highs, bro. Come on. This 100% I would be taking this if we did not have the equal highs. We get this on 100% take it if you were to get a inverse somewhere here. Looks like we just aren't gonna go for the lows. 10 a.m. opens there. We just pump higher. I mean, really is no retrace either ways for any setups here. We do it the 15-minute. Wait to see of the 4 hour. Now we're getting like this run lower. I don't mean to do that. We do have this con gap here, so like we might be able to see something. We did this 30-minute if we were to get this retrace. Or a mech. Yeah, we could take this slow mech model here. This honestly isn't bad. Just kind of, yes, a little premium. Honestly, so like it though. I like that it's like a little like a PDI. We have this accumulation. We get the manipulation. And now we're just gonna excite the distribution. Only thing is that the RR is kind of mid to the 5 minute. We should 100% clear up all this LR. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna go break even there since you just hit the 5 minute. Unfortunate, bro. Actually unfortunate. I think maybe I could have kept my stops here. Wouldn't have mattered. Yeah, wouldn't have mattered. Damn. It's a brutal break even because setup was pretty good to be honest. Low PDI with the Mac model. And at the PO3 too, it's 10 a.m. candle and the 10 o'clock. Yeah, that's a pretty good Mac in my opinion. It's kind of A plus. Honestly, really liked it. Well, that's it for July 2021. These are the overall stats on this session. We took 12 trades this month, 7 dubs, 2 losses. We're up 7R on this month, 77 or 78% win rate. I took 3 break-even trades as well. Yeah, I mean, both break-evens here were pretty good. They both saved me from a loss. And this win was also really good. Yeah, pretty good month to be honest. I know all the other ones were a little bit slow. We were kind of just like only up like 2R and stuff in the month, but I'm gonna be locking in on back testing a little more, trying to really get my stats up and stuff. So oh yeah, I'll see you guys for July 2020 tomorrow. Later.